Generators are a trusted go-to when electricity is out of the picture. We know carbon monoxide poisoning makes generators unsafe to use indoors. So what if there is rain or snow outside? The threat of poisoning has now become an electrocution or damage risk. The costs are deadly. That is where GenTent comes in. GenTent safety canopies allow portable generators to run safely in nearly any wet weather by self-attaching to portable and inverter generators, creating a waterproof protective shield over the top and a drop-down protective apron to cover your electric panel from inclement weather. Patented and independently tested for high winds, heavy rain, and snow loads, GenTent is also endorsed by generator manufacturers. It is the only running cover available worldwide which keeps your generator dry and portable. Whether for emergency home backup, recreational, or commercial purposes, GenTent is the safe way to go. Now outfitting thousands of generators, contact us today to learn how GenTent can protect your generator in 3 easy steps and weatherproof your power.